What's going on, you guys? Connor here, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys a story about how I was very close to actually getting sued from one of my new stores that I created. Now, this was a mistake that I made that could have totally been avoided if I just followed the right precautions and if I didn't get greedy and just tried to make some quick money with a new product that I knew was trending. So in this video, I'm going to basically be telling you guys all about, what mistake I made, how you guys can avoid it, because what I've realized is, and I honestly recorded this video probably like 3 or 4 times, and I didn't even know if I was going to post it or not, just because I don't want you guys to get discouraged about drop shipping, and I don't want this to scare potential newcomers away. But it is something, after I realized, I think it could do more good than harm, and I want to really show you guys kind of behind the scenes of what I do, and also some of my failures, and document with you guys, because I know with social media and with a lot of posts in general, YouTube channel being one of them, I tend to only highlight the good things, and that's because I want to provide motivation for you guys. But with that said, there's a ton of stuff that happens that isn't motivational at all. It's just life happens, and sometimes you don't always get the results you want, and sometimes you're faced with obstacles and roadblocks like the one I'm going to share with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just going to be talking to the camera essentially and telling you guys what happened, how I could have avoided it, and what I'm doing going forward. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a mistake I made where I saw a trending product on Facebook, and I really honestly, I thought it was going to absolutely crush it, and I knew that it had proven demand. I only saw one store, you guys, one store selling this product, and it had over 500 different reviews on Amazon, right? So there was only one store selling it, and immediately my thought was, okay, maybe this is a patented product, it's copyrighted, I don't want to sell that. And it really, when I went to look at the patents for it and copyrights for it, I honestly couldn't find any. And this was my mistake initially, is I didn't spend enough time looking at patents. I didn't spend enough time looking up the company and really like what they were doing with this certain product, and that was my first mistake. What I should have done was I really should have spent more than 10-15 minutes looking for patents on this product. I just got so excited. I saw that there was so much potential for this product, and I was going to brand it in a different way. I was going to market it in a different way. It was going to be amazing. Sure enough, I ended up doing close to $10,000 in sales within the first 2 weeks of launching this product. It was insanely profitable. My profit margins were close to 30 to 40%. Some of the highest profit margins I've ever seen on a product launch, basically from the start. So where I went wrong was I sold this product thinking that it was free to sell. It wasn't a knockoff item. There was no patents on it that I saw initially. There was only one store selling it, and the store that was selling it really didn't look too professional. Their marketing was terrible. They were only running basic Google ads. They weren't even running on Facebook, and their Facebook ads, quite frankly, were just absolutely horrible. They were only using image ads. They weren't even using videos. They didn't really have any influencers. Their Instagram account was pretty much inactive. So it kind of looked like a product they sold initially, and then they were just sold through Amazon long term. All signs that I saw, and I was like, wow, this is gonna be an untapped winner. This is gonna be my next winning product. So I sold mostly on Facebook, right? That was my goal, was only to sell on Facebook and really market this product on Facebook, because I saw the company had pretty much dominated Amazon and Google with slight Facebook ads running. So I saw they, huge potential for Facebook ads. No one had really seen this product on Instagram or Facebook. So I started to create some ads, bought the product, and actually shot some videos of it myself. And, I invested some money actually in website design and professional product photos. So I was down probably, I'd say a good $400, $500 just on this product, just doing the marketing materials. Fast forward about a week, I launched my ads. I had everything going. It was running super well. I was doing around, I think at that point I was around 3 or 4K in total sales. And then that next week started to roll around, and I started to pick up some traction. My videos were getting, I had over 1 million views on one of my videos. I had close to, I think it was like 700, 800 shares on one of my most popular videos, and I was starting to run a lot of retargeting. So I was really starting to dump a lot of money into my ad spend now, and really start to scale, because I saw the profits were great, and they weren't, they weren't dropping at all every time I raised the ad spend, the budget. So I was like, awesome, right? This is a great product. I'm absolutely gonna crush it. And then a couple days ago, well, this was like 4 or 5 days ago now, I got an email from the owner of the original, or I don't know if it was an owner or their lawyer, or actually it wasn't the lawyer. It was like the owner or the brand person. I can't even remember who it was. It was like an owner or a brand person of I have the email on my phone. It was like an owner or a brand person of the company that I saw that was selling this product. And they said that the title of the email was actually titled something in regards to like, stop selling this, or else. And so it got my attention initially, right? Because I didn't have many emails to this new email, and I was like, oh, what's this? This is weird. I've never got an email like that. So I look at his email and he says, you know, hey, this product's got a patent pending. You can look at it here. I just, you know, wanted to let you know that, you know, you can't sell this product without our permission. So he was actually very nice about it, the way he said it, because, you know, he could have been really rude. He could have just immediately like sued me and been like, you guys have to stop selling this. You owe me all X amount of dollars. But they didn't do that. They're actually very polite. So, you know, what I did was I responded very politely. I said, wow, I didn't even know there was a patent on this product. You know, I'm so sorry. So what I did was I closed down my store. I closed down all my ads, closed down my Facebook page, everything. What's interesting about this story, you guys, and this is something that I really want you to take away, is I was legitimately like one night away from ordering in bulk this product, about $6,000 worth of product. So it would have been about 500 units of this product to a warehouse in the US. And I kid you not, I had the bank information ready. I was just gonna go and, you know, wait for the wire transfer window to open up and send the wire to China for my supplier. And I was legitimately about to lose $6,000 more dollars. So it just taught me a lesson and, you know, reaffirmed that like scaling, you need to do it slowly, right? You can't go in and invest all this money because stuff like this can happen. So, you know, when you guys are scaling your products and when you guys are looking into products, like the first mistake I made was just not spending enough time on the product research and not spending enough time really on the competitor analysis. Like if you're trying to sell a product that's new and that you don't really see much data for and other people aren't selling, like really look into make sure there's no patents on it. That's something that I did. I was looking in the wrong place. So I'll leave some links down below about like, you know, where you can look up for patents and copyrights and trademarks. I think that'll just be a helpful resource for you guys. But yeah, don't make the same mistake I did. Clearly, you know, I jumped the gun on it. I saw the dollar signs were flashing in my face and I knew I could make money off it. Sure enough, I did make money off of it. But overall, it's like, you know, I don't want to be selling someone else's product that's patented. That's not why I got into drop shipping, right? I got into drop shipping to create my own brand, create my own private label of a product. And like, that's what I'm doing going forward. Obviously, that's what I've done on my previous stores. Lesson learned here is do your research up front. Don't make the same mistakes I did. And if you're ever worried about a product being, you know, copyrighted or patented, probably err on the side of caution and test something that isn't. That's like my story. I hope you guys took something from this, honestly. Like, obviously it's not easy for me to talk about a situation like this because it does, you know, negatively affect one of my businesses. Luckily, I have other stores up and running. I have a great group of students I'm working with right now. One thing I wanted to add in this video is that, you know, my students, it's crazy to see some of the success they're having because it reminds me a lot of my journey starting out. And that motivates me like crazy. Like seeing some of my students, you know, like Cole and some of my other students that are crushing it, it just motivates me so much to like just crush it even more. Because if you surround yourself with people who are successful, like with people who are motivated just like you are and passionate about something like dropshipping and e-commerce like I am, that really can help you push your store and your skills and knowledge about dropshipping to the next level. So I hope you guys took something away from this video. If you like it, go ahead and smash the like, comment, subscribe, you know, whatever it may be. And in the next video, I'll be having a product research video for you guys and giving away some winning products. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys as always for watching. And as always, keep your mind right. Peace.